Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. On behalf of the Board of Trustees and Imam Ghulam Rasool, it's my privilege and honor to welcome His Excellency Rehan Uzbek, the Consulate General of the Republic of Turkey, to our Masjid today. This is not his first visit, and I hope this will not be, inshallah, his last visit. When we go to Turkey, and most of us have visited Turkey, we feel so much at home in Istanbul, in Ankara, in Izmir, not because of the buildings or the beauty of the country, which we do take into consideration, but the love of the Turkish people that is extended to us as Muslims and as Pakistanis. There is no country within the world that Pakistanis love and respect when the Turkish people come to visit Pakistan. We are honored to have the Consul General today. He was supposed to come and visit us last Ramadan, and we missed him. He just traveled from Ankara the other day, and in such a short time he is able to visit us. We are very grateful. Let me recognize our brother Ibrahim Kurtulus, Consul General. This is also Ibrahim's masjid. He prays here almost every time that he is in Staten Island for Jummah. He has adopted this masjid, and we are very grateful to Brother Ibrahim, who on a short notice arranged the visit of the Consulate General of Turkey, and we now invite him to deliver his remarks. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, to everyone, and I wish you Jumai Khair. Before I start my speech, I would like to thank Imam Ghulam Rasool for having us here, and also Mr. Musjid Kadri, Chairman of the Board of Trustees of Musjid Noor, Dr. Abdul Rahman, Director of Musjid Noor, and members of the Board of Trustees, and brothers and sisters, and all of younger generation who are present here right now, and also Dr. Schweil, thank you for having us. And also, I would like to extend my blessings for the birth of our holy beloved Prophet, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Hazreti Muhammad, and to your families. As you said, Dr. Schweil, when we look to the modern history right now, there is no this kind of a precedent between two countries that exist between Pakistan and Turkey right now. And today, as you said, I feel myself at home. There is no difference in being in a Turkish masjid, Turkish jami, or in a Pakistani masjid. And I should say that the Turkish people, our grandmothers, grandparents, we grew up with the stories of the help, assistance of the Pakistani people towards the Turkish people during the War of Independence in the beginning of 1920s. And we remember, or we were taught, how the Pakistani people, Pakistani women, young generation or young people at that time, they donated their gold coins, they donated their bracelets to help the Turkish people to gain their independence at that time. We never forget that. And that's why, really, whenever we go to Pakistan, I myself visited Pakistan for several times. And from the point I disembarked from the aircraft, I can see the bond, the hospitality of the Pakistani people towards the Turkish people. And now you said that, Imam said, when I entered the masjid, the jami, and sit over here, really I felt myself in a Turkish masjid.
Because they were sitting on Turkish carpet.
Yes, it's Turkish carpet. There's no difference really. There's no difference between the and this unique brotherhood will continue to persist in the coming generations as well. And our duty is our duty is to teach this brotherhood and friendship between our two nations to the younger generations. We have to explain them the strong bonds between the two countries, how they were created, how these two countries supported each other when there is a need. For example, still Turkey continues to support the legitimate claims of the Kashmiri people in Pakistan. And lastly, President Erdogan, our president, he also vocaled the Kashmiri people's voices in the United Nations General Assembly. And also, lately, unfortunately, Pakistan faced a disaster. And we always stand with the Pakistani people. And may Allah mercy be upon the people who died, unfortunately, and their families. And I should say that Turkey was the first country, among the first countries to respond to the floods. And so far we have sent 14 aircrafts with relief material and 12 trains. The trains departed fully loaded with the relief material from Turkey all the way to Pakistan, and still we continue to support the disaster relief efforts back in Pakistan. And also the Turkish American community here in New York, they collected the relief materials to send to Pakistan, and my consulate, we arranged with the Turkish Airlines to transfer those materials without any cost to Pakistan in the coming days. And we will attend the ceremony. And as I said, I also served before here in New York as the Deputy Council General. And at that time also I was able to witness the strong relations between the Pakistani and Turkish community in the United States. So whenever there is a common issue, whenever there is a common concern, I have witnessed that the two communities came together and they become one voice and reacted to the developments and the electoral process were vocal in the, let's say, in the terms of authorities or talks. So we will continue to work with the Pakistani community very closely. And in that regard, I would like to announce that next year in May, we will have a Turkish parade in Manhattan. And next year is the centennial of the foundation of the Turkish Republic by the founder Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. And I wish to celebrate together this centennial day with our Pakistani brothers and sisters in Manhattan. And lastly, you mentioned Ibrahim Kurtuluş. So I should say that, and I have to confess that he's maybe the only person that I have full trust in New York. He is a true bridge between different communities for Afghanistan. And he's advising me, he's teaching me when I am in need to get the right direction, to make the right decisions. And having said that, once again, I'd say, was it Chile, Pakistan, Turkey, right? That's correct. So I wish everyone happy Friday. Hayırlı Cuma, we say in Turkish. And thank you for having me here. That's very important for me. Thanks.